1,984 square feet by an incredible builder in a charming little neighborhood. And guys, check it out. 1.9% property tax on this guy, starting in the mid 400s. We're going to get into it right now. Now, my name is Keith Duble, and I am so excited to take you through this home. This is a Perry home. It is a 1,984 square foot, beautiful 3-bed home with a dedicated office. This is the model in a tiny little neighborhood called Patterson Ranch. That's not too tiny. I guess it's fairly decent sized, and it's in Georgetown. Now, this property is, as with all of the models, all of the homes, rather, the floor plans built by Perry Home, is named after the square foot and the square footage on this property. This is on a 47-foot wide, it's called a product, so the 47-foot product. And the 47-foot product is not a terribly common number. Usually you hear 45 or 50, but there's no regulation. So in this community, that's what worked. Now, this community is built by is owned generally by Ashton Woods. Ashton Woods and Perry Home are the two builders in this community. And this community has had a group of lots purchased by another builder. That instance is Perry. And to my knowledge, is just Perry and Ashton Woods. There may be another one coming in, but I don't think so. So this community is going to have Perry, Ashton Woods, and they're building these great homes in there. And guys, it's difficult to find anything sub 450 anymore in this market. They're advertising property in the high 3s, but when I went to click and dig deeper, none of those listings were actually available anymore. So I do believe those are probably gone. I don't think that they were actually anything available in the high 300s. It just doesn't exist anymore. But like, what is this, 2015? No, it is not. And therefore, there is nothing in the 300s anymore. And if it is, you probably don't want to live in it, or it's in a totally different part of Texas. There are some 300,000, high 300, 390, 395 in like Kyle and Buda and so forth. But in Georgetown, Austin, it's just not the case. This is a super smart plan. As I mentioned, 1.9% property tax. Now, this property is, this neighborhood is 0.3 miles away from Everett Williams Elementary School. It's only 2 miles away from George Wagner Middle, and it is 5.5 miles from Eastview High School. There's also a very, very ample amount of shopping and plazas. Just a few miles south of here is the Outlet Mall, IKEA, all the medical medical resources that you could need. It's all over the place. And this property itself is really, really smartly laid out. So 1,984 square feet. The owner suite is great, but what makes it feel so good are these tall ceilings in all the rooms. It feels really, really nice. 10-foot product and all over the house. It just really feels good. Walk into this owner's bath and you have a separate soaking tub with that walk-in shower. You have that glass frameless shower. It's very nice and it's very spacious. I do love how they put that glossy tile finish in the shower. It makes it feel so much more clean and bright. And you have your split vanities in here and a nicely sized closet. You walk in there. There's a lot of room in here for the product space that it is. They did a great job just really relegating the space all throughout the house. Not one room is really kind of too small. They did a really good job laying everything out here. Now, guys, one thing that it's important to know is that I've worked with, 20-something builders on the regular. I think 60-something% of our business is just new construction. We work with new construction all the time. We have great relationships with the builders, which helps our clients tremendously. When I walk in and a sales rep at the builder knows my name, they are always excited. My clients are always excited. We just closed one last week, I think, with Chesmar, and went back, and the sales rep, when we walked in, they know my name when I first came in there with my client. It always makes our clients feel great. So when you have those relationships in place, it doesn't take anything away from our commitment and dedication, our ethical obligation to serve our clients at a fiduciary level. But it definitely doesn't hurt that we have a rapport with the sales reps and these builders. I walk in, hey Keith, what's up? It always feels good. So these builders are very reputable. Not every builder is perfect. I don't know if you knew that. No builder, in fact, is perfect. You're going to have a house and it's always going to have an issue. Every new home has an issue. We recommend doing pre-inspections on all of our new construction, and I find that we always find something. We always find something on our pre-inspections or our inspections. We do what's called a phase inspection. So we do an inspection at pre-drywall, and then at closing, or just before closing, we do inspections, and then we give the reports to the builders, and the builders that go and they take care of it. There's no perfect home. You just have to do due diligence, and that's what we do. We help people along the way, protect you guys and your biggest investment of your life. So definitely let us walk you through this. Give me a call. This is amazing, guys. If you want to know more about Perry, let me know. I actually working on a buyer's guide for this community, but I do have one for a community that Perry is building in Lariat, which is in Liberty Hill, and you can go in the link below and you'll see that there's a link for that buyer's guide. Download it. There's an information form that I'm going to have you fill out with your email address, and we're going to email that PDF over to you, and that's the only way. Sometimes people get freaked out. I promise I'm not going to spam you, but if you want that buyer's guide, just fill out that form, put your name, email, phone number, or whatever, and I will get that right over to you. I'm not going to spam you, but I have to have a place to email you the PDF. So we have a lot of people go and check it out, but sometimes people get leery. Trust me, I'm not going to spam you or sell your information. I don't have that kind of technology. So we want to make sure that you get information. We want to serve you. We want to take good care of you. It doesn't help me if you're not happy with me. So we want you to be happy. So download that form. No worries. Check it out in the link below in the description. It's going to be for a different community for Lariat, but it is going to have, I bring that up because Perry is in Lariat as well, and they're similar plans, and they're great. We love Perry. I do love these covered patios. They're amazing. This one is a large patio. It's going to have that, I believe it's extended out, but it goes to the back depth of the house, and you're going to see a lot of room back there. This is a really charming backyard, and we talked a little bit about the width earlier. So the product itself is a 47-foot wide. If you've listened to my videos in the past, you're going to know that width is the width of the frontage. So the width, obviously the depth is not 47 feet. The width of the lot is 47 feet. Usually you're at about 110, 120. If you get a generous lot, sometimes you're at 130 feet deep. But the width is what is in the name of the product. And in this property, I'm guessing it's somewhere around the 115, 120 foot depth. And Perry does a great job making their plans sit perfectly on these lot sizes. So they're not lanky, they're not weird, they're not disproportionate. They fit very perfectly. They're custom fit for these lots. I want to be careful with that word. They're not custom fit, but they make these lots to fit on there beautifully. So if you have any questions about any of these houses, Patterson Ranch, Perry, Ashton Woods, or any of the other ones, definitely hit me up. Guys, thank you so much. I just want to say thank you. If you found value in this video, I'm a realtor serving the greater Austin area. I've been doing this for 13 years. We've been top producing team in this area for a very long time. And guys, I just want to say thank you. Thank you for being here. Thanks for walking through this property with me. I want to serve you guys. So please click that subscribe button, click that bell for notifications, and we definitely want to stay in touch with you. And I will check you guys on the next video tour. We'll talk soon. Thank you.